Hi, in today's section I want to teach you guys how to go live for the first time. Life really helped me in my journey in these 2 months. How I got my first 400 subscriber, 500 subscriber. Life helped me a lot, and every other person who have gone viral will tell you that life helped them a lot. So guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to go live. I know that many people don't even know where to start from, and I have started this topic and I did not see it, so I said let me come and teach you. This is how to go live for the first time. So guys, if this is what you want, do me good by clicking the like button and subscribing to support me. So guys, let's go straight to the point. The first one is, if you want to go live streaming for the first time, guys, watch other people, join other people live. Yes, join other people live. See how they talk, see how they choose their topic, see what they say, see how they respond to their audience, right? So that you will know how you can do yours also. I said join other people live. In fact, on this platform or in any platform that you know that you want to grow, that you want to grow in that platform, any niche that you have chosen, you have to watch other people that have been doing it before. Like maybe like you want to be a cook, if you want to be a teacher, if you want to be a coach, watch other people that are doing something related to that, so that you will know how they do it, so that you will also grow your own account, your own channel, right? So number two, I say choose topic. Choosing topic is very, very important, just like an upcoming one. Don't go and choose like topic that will make it sound like as if you are a specialist, like you are a guru, that you have gone far in the game. You might not have much view. Yes, choose a topic like you are, like as if you are trying to carry people along in your journey on this platform, like you are trying to share with people your growth, what the tips that make you grow, right? So choose your topic wisely. You can choose a topic like how I got my first 100 subscriber, how I YouTube increase my visibility, the tips, what helped me, like what helped my channel to grow fast, the tip that worked for me, that I got my uh, uh channel, like that I got my 500 subscriber within these 2 months. Actually my channel is 2 months now. So guys, also choose a topic that, like, be wise, choose a topic that will like make people to know that you are trying to carry them along. It's not like as if you are perfect, right? So number three, I say be confident. Be confident, so that if you see me looking down, I have my notes. So if you see me looking down, I have my notes. What I'm trying to say, that be confident. What I'm trying to tell you guys is that when you're going live and nobody is there, like you do not have any audience, don't worry, continue what you are doing, right? If you finish and post it, you'll be surprised by the turn up. But your topic will determine the turn up. That is why I say be mindful of the topic that you choose, so that it will not sound like as if you are a specialist and somebody will go and look at your subscriber, you are still lesser than 1,000 or lesser than 500. It will not encourage them. So mind the topic that you have choose, so that whenever you post it, even when you don't have audience during the live, when you post it, people will join you and watch it and we appreciate you. You see that your next live, people will come. Those people that watch it, when you go live again, they will come and they will come and support you. Then I say number four, always welcome your viewers, always welcome your audience. When you see anybody that have clicked or comment, be kind enough, welcome them, tell them welcome, thank you for supporting me, thank you for staying. So you welcome them. And again, another tip is that always read their comments, always read their comment, read it out, so that they will hear it. Sometimes it's not everything that you can say, right? But the one that are also serious-minded people there that want to learn. So if they ask you question based on what you are teaching, be kind enough to answer them. Even though you have you have an issue with your previous channel and they ask you, be kind enough to always answer their question and be kind enough, because every live that I joined before I started this my own, they are so kind enough to answer me whenever I ask them questions. So it will also help you in managing your time. Yes, you will not go off point. They will really help you. Mention and answer their question, and also mention it that you are new on this platform. I cannot come and join your life and you are teaching the topic that is so interesting, like how you increase your visibility, how you got your first 200 subscriber, your first 500 subscriber within 2 months. And I love the topic, and you tell me that yes, that you are new. In fact, it will touch my heart to want to support you. So always mention it that you are new. People will want to support you. And I said that let your eyes be on the comment section. Yes, always answer their question. Be kind enough to answer their question. All these tips that I've said is what worked for me. Then I kept on coming back. And after your life, guys, you will see the turn up. Life really helped many people. They will not say it. Many people will not say it, but life will help you in growing your account, especially when you are a new YouTuber, when you are an upcoming one. So guys, I've come to the end of this teaching for today. Do me well by liking, subscribing to my channel to support me, and comment. Love you all, and turn on the notification so that whenever I post new video, you will receive the message. So guys, thank you for joining me. Love you guys.